So my brothers got me this made in frying pan set, a little early Christmas gift. They actually look pretty fun. So I'm gonna rinse these off and then make a quick breakfast with them. All right, so I'm gonna make a quick maple sausage with mushrooms and spinach, and then a soft scramble with creme fraiche and chives. There's 2 links. Take off the skin. Set this aside. Just do 2 eggs. I'll do 3 eggs. Okay, let's chop up some garlic. 2 cloves. No, and then, so I'm gonna use a 8-inch pan and the 12-inch pan. Let me start sauteing some mushrooms, since that'll take a little bit. Do that many mushrooms. Going to toss the mushrooms in a little bit of soy sauce. Olive oil, bit of butter. Have these sit single layer and then not touch them for like 4 to 5 minutes, and then we'll flip. Turn on the broiler. Gonna make an English muffin as well. Gonna turn on the pan for the eggs, so keep it low though, and then a generous amount of butter. Let me cut up some chives. You rinse them off first. So chop up the chives. Sweet. Get the eggs in. This will also be a pretty long process. We're gonna wanna constantly stir these. You can flip these now. If you're gonna use metal on non-stick, just be very gentle so the comments don't get mad at you. Continue to stir the eggs. To the mushrooms, gonna add a little bit of garlic, some Worcestershire, a little bit of white wine. Mushrooms done. A little olive oil. Put in all this sausage. And break these up. Add some salt. Add the garlic now. Let's take apart this English muffin. Going to add in a little bit of maple syrup. Make a little maple glaze for the sausage. Get some spinach on. English muffin in. A little bit of salt to the eggs. Got a little creme fraiche. You could also use sour cream. Nice dollop. I'm trying to heat up a little bit because I am getting impatient. Get some chive in. Okay, sausage and spinach is done. This looks good. The sausage and the mushrooms. And finally, we got the English muffins. Ooh, hot. All right. The rest of this chive on. Ooh, slice of butter. All right, let's taste just a little bit of the egg by itself. So creamy, so rich. Sausage and spinach. I love the maple flavor in that. These mushrooms. Ooh, sweet. Okay, let's do this. A little bit of mushroom on it, a little bit of sausage, some egg right on top. I'll sandwich it. That is phenomenal. Okay, that's it. Goodbye.